and telling me that you say once you take me with you, I never go back. Now I got a lesson that I wanna teach. I'ma show you that where you from, no matter to me. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. I said, bonjour, madame. Then she said, sabase. And I said, nabule. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. I said, bonjour, madame. Then she said, sabase. And I said, nabule. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. African American, for sure. I told her, baby, come and ride the rodeo. Every time I come around, man, I go for broke. She give me that.
We was just cheating on each other instead of just breaking up. Yes, this is what 19-year-olds do. Right, at the age of like 19, yeah. That's pretty much. I did say hi. You overlooked my comment. I'm sorry, Smooth. I did not mean to do that on purpose. I swear to God. My bad. Yeah, 19. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not saying that it's okay, but that's kind of something I did. Oh gosh. Have a biscuit. I want to eat my biscuit. Oh my God, here we go. Right. No. She on candid camera. Okay, see, I forgot we met in Oklahoma. I used to smoke Regina, she from Arizona. Then I met a girl in Cali, I never disown her. She got that high grade. Her weed come with diplomas. This is looking tough a little bit. Oh my God. Now I got a lesson that I wanna teach. I'ma show you that where you from, no matter to me. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. Oh my God, here we go. She said, sabase. And I said, nabule. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. Here we go. This is what the hiccup people come in looking for. Hit that bottle before a stream. What bottle? I already hit a bottle. It's Church's chicken. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hold on. I wonder how many people would like rush in here with the hiccups. Holy shit. Got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me holy shit. Up all night. Constant drinking and love songs. You guys ready? Got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs. Holy fuck. Got me up all night. Drowning out with these love songs. She got me up all night. Yeah. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night. Yeah. Constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night. Yeah. Down and out. Eating a biscuit with no water is wild. Why? Look, my ankle sign just went away just because I did that. Oh, never mind. Well spent. May have been. Holy crap. Church's biscuits are good as fuck. No, Church's is just good in general. How was your day? My day was pretty good. Can't complain. Can't complain anymore. I was kind of complaining at the beginning of the day. Oh my God, here we go. Well, left them on you, I'm saying. I wish I had more chicken. My chicken is like literally gone. Like it's gone, guys. It's all gone. I want ya.
Oh yeah, red lobster biscuits are good.
Well, this has gotta be the longest crush ever. If I ever get the fucking be the longest
Bust
bust
up.
ever. Love is a drug like the strongest stuff ever. And fuck it, I'm on.
I know, Dion, it's over.
She on her power
It's
trip.
over.
She want a nigga wifing in the club, man. My homies gon' disown
We're gonna be here for at least 20 minutes.
$20, ass stupid, how you get the
College.
I'm in your city,
Pokemon
I'm wondering if you're home.
announced they investigating Power World. Of course they are.
Like I dropped the ball, cliche.
They want the money.
You at the mall each day. Now, typically, I kick
They want the money.
like East Bay, but
Just go ahead and drink that water.
yelling, please play.
Water doesn't work for me.
Take, homie, pull it together. Just fuck up one time and be through it forever. But would you believe me if I said I'm in love?
Baby, want you? Me. But it took long enough. I was wondering if Power World had like approval of Pokemon. Got me up all night. Respectfully, I'm finna fall asleep. Do you have homework? I mean, do you have school tomorrow? Holy shit. Yeah. They shut the Pokemon mod down quick. Ass. Oh God. How was my day? Kid, my day started off kind of and then it got better. Honestly, this is like the best part of my day. Oh, holy shit, dude. I don't fuck with you. Any plans for tomorrow? Homework.
You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
You little dumbass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
I got a million trillion things.
I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you.
Little stupid ass.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I
don't give a fuck, bitch.
don't give a about you or anything that you do. Actually, my plans for tomorrow, I want to make some content. Like, I got like this little like corner of my space that I actually want to like make some content in. Why? Crazy bitch. Expand your lungs? I'm trying, man.
And everything that I do is my first name. These hoes chase bread. Aw damn, she got a bird brain. Ain't nothing but trilling me. Aw man, silly me. I just bought a crib, 3 stories. That bitch a trilogy.
Nope. Ozone.
I got a bitch that takes
She ain't got no clothes on.
and then another one text.
And your ass next.
And I'ma text your ass back like
I don't fuck with you.
You little stupid ass bitch. I ain't fucking with
Not the hiccup content. I know. I don't have any control over this.
bitch. I ain't fucking with you.
Try hanging upside down for a minute.
I got a million trillion things.
I'm gonna look all types of insane with my boobs trying to come out. No way.
Stupid ass. I don't give a fuck.
Content. I need to do that. That you do.
I don't give a
Fuck about you or anything that you do. Give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Got a million things on my mind, executive deals online, limited amount of time.
I hate
$60
E40.
signs and you ain't on your grind.
Let me not say I hate E40.
MGM casino in the deep. Fucking off Eddie, I could
I don't really care for E40.
From the bay to the murder myth, my niggas put murder mission. She choosing that's her decision. Free my niggas in prison. On the phone with a bitch who can't do shit for a pimp, but make a nigga.
Hold on. Nope,
Am I
never
down
mind.
on him in a rental on my way, Sacramento, late night, Arsenio.
Now she putting that throat to word. Shut up.
Barely hard, chromeless.
I end up domeless.
Bet you she into me. Her cheddar she give me.
Ugh.
Stand outside forever like the Statue of Liberty. MC, underground king of the South. I raise my styrofoam up and pour some drink in my mouth. Why you always coming around with bad news? Bad news. Say you want me to win, but hope I lose.
I had a hiccup still.
But them niggas
tried. I've tried. Fries, I've tried. How are you upset with E40? I don't know. I just don't really care for his voice. Hey, Matt. How you doing? Nope, there we go. I don't give a fuck. Shut up, Jones. I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. Give a fuck about you or anything that you do. Oh, shit. Bring it in, Matt. Matt, come in for a hug. Come on, Matt. Matt. Come on. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. W Matt. W Matt for the sub. Oh my god. They're just chilling? What'd you do today, Matt? Let's do white. We're gonna do white, Matt.
Hello, motherfucker.
I'm missing a cap. I missed a cap earlier. Hey. I wonder if I can find it now. I don't know where the cap went. Oh god. Yeah, I have no idea where this cap went. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, I don't know where it went. Alright, my purple marker is gonna die because I don't know where the cap is. Drippin' in finesse. It don't make no sense. Drippin' in finesse. Alright, well, I don't know where it is. How'd you get the hiccups? Bruh, I don't know. But my purple marker is gonna die because I don't have a cap for it, and it fell somewhere on the ground and I can't find it.
They ain't believe in us. God did.
I think I just saw it. No, you did not. In finesse. It don't make no sense. Look behind you again. You're so fucking annoying. I would really like to find it. I don't know where it went. It don't make no sense. Oh god. Okay, so how do I spell your name? Miss Wait, shut the fuck up. Oh, chaotic Mr. E. Okay. Hold on. Chaotic? Oh shit, I fucked up. Got going on. Us. couch. You're right. Thank you. Does it still work? Oh no. Hold on. I might be able to save it. You're right. Oh, thank you. I think we saved it. Boss my savior. Alright. Thanks, ball. Yeah. How come the rest of you didn't find it? How did Ball get here and found it? I just said that. I think it rolled under the couch. It was not under the couch. It was in front of the couch. Not distracted. You're ridiculous. What's going on, Saint Nick? Hello, Ryder. I know, you're new. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, like, what is this in my hair? What the heck is that? What is that? Where'd it go? Oh, it's white. Oh, it's the white marker. Oh, okay. I was like, what the hell is that? Alright, never mind. Hello, Saint Nick. How you doing? Oh God. It was under the front part of the couch. Tay, go to sleep. You're ridiculous. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. It's just getting worse. Back home. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. We gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. I don't know. Is Sick Up ASMR keeping me up? Oh my god. And go somewhere, gotta. If I put, hold on. What if I put it in? What if I put it in my Twitch title? Do you think there'll be a difference? Wait. Oh, I'm too much. Oh God, excuse me. With the yawn. Fuck. Man, I can't.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust.
Okay. Eat bananas and Sprite. I don't have either of those. I don't have either of those. Oh God. Old remedy for hiccups, taking deep breaths in a brown paper bag. It helps. I don't have a brown paper bag either. What is going on here? Y'all want me to have soda? Y'all want me to have brown paper bags? Scare yourself? Well, that didn't work either. Watch a scary YouTube clip. It's not gonna scare me if I know that I'm gonna watch a scary YouTube clip. Y'all trying to get her to throw up? Man, cause what? Are there any games coming out this year that you're interested in getting? I kind of want to play Power World, but if they're about to go through a whole like legal issue, I don't want to play it. So no, not really. I'll stick to my Fortnite. Play DBD and let Michael or Ghostface sneak up on you. Nick, have you seen me play DBD? I am not good at it. I am not good at it whatsoever. Where you lies, where you lies.
Don't hide it. Feeling me, you don't gotta deny it. Baby, you gon' make me overnight it. Tell me how you down. If you're down.
I wish I could see Poppy Playtime. What is that? I don't know what that is. What is that? What is Poppy Playtime? What the heck is that? Doesn't want to be teased? I don't want to be teased. Teased with what? Oh, tease with Power World. I didn't know what y'all were talking about. Oops. Thought we were talking about bananas. Wait a second. Sorry. I think the sorry. And talk to me. Ooh, this is my song. Hope you know that when it's late night, hold on to my pillow tight. Hold on, I gotta turn this up. Ever. I never thought that anyone could make me feel this way. Now that you're here, boy, all I want is just for me to say, jump out, shit, right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late. And I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her. And I wonder how after all the lies you said that you would treat me right, but it was just a waste of time. Oh yeah, that's my song. Confused. Know the truth. So cold. JoJo had the whole world on lockdown when she came out with this song. Man. But on your phone. Baby, I'm the one to blame. That way. Get out, leave right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late now, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her move, and I wonder why. How about all the lies you said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. I wanted you right here with me, but I have no choice. You gotta leave, cause my heart is breaking. Every word you're saying, I gave up everything I had on something that couldn't last. I refuse to cry from these eyes. Get out right now. It's the end of you and me. How much water you drink today? I drank a bottle and a half of this. This is my new bottle that I have been keeping, well, I've been trying to keep up with. So I drank a whole bottle and like a half of it. So I got like that much. Right now, it's the end of you and me. And I can't wait for you to be. Rookie numbers? Yes. Because this is only half a gallon. This is rookie numbers. But I gotta start somewhere, okay? That you would treat me right. You were just a waste of time. Get out right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late and I can't wait. Ooh. Baby steps, man. I don't think I can really. I don't think like a gallon. I don't think a gallon is good for me. I think half a gallon is fine for me. I think half a gallon is just fine for my body. I think a gallon is like way too much. Said that you. Are you active? I'm not active. Not active like I was. I used to be active, but nope. Get some water. Not you putting your hands on your head. I'm not active anymore, man. Oh shit. I accidentally clicked out of something. Hold on, can't see you. Want you to see all of the light.